You're never gonna believe how I create Instagram, Facebook ad creatives by using these secret tips. Save this video, check this out. First and foremost, you have to access to ad library, which was made from Meta. From there, select a country where you want to execute campaigns. You can click all or even like specific country here, and then click all ads. From there, you're gonna type a keyword that is related to your business to view general competitors ad creatives, or you can just type specific competitors Instagram or Facebook account to benchmark it. Note that we are here for getting a sense of our ad creatives creation, not exactly copying their ad creatives and pasting to create it, but we can piggyback on the ad creatives for sure. And check ad campaigns that at least it already started running 1 month ago. Why? Because the reason why we don't turn off the specific campaigns that means it is working well. In a common sense, they would not spend tons of money for nothing. Like this example, January 21st, still running, January 12th, still running. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna copy this ad link, paste to this my Google Sheet, and check what is the copywriting pattern in the ad creatives or CTA or even the design itself.